family of Halyna Hutchins to proceed civil lawsuit against Alec Baldwin. The family of Halyna Hutchins will continue its civil lawsuit against Alec Baldwin over her death, despite criminal charges against the actor being formally dismissed. Legal representatives for the family said Baldwin could not escape from the fact that he had a major role in a tragedy. It comes after New Mexico prosecutors formally dismissed charges of involuntary manslaughter brought against Baldwin on Friday. The actor had been charged with 2 counts of involuntary manslaughter following the fatal shooting of cinematographer Ms. Hutchins during a rehearsal on the set of his movie Rust in Santa Fe, New Mexico in October 2021. Prosecutors said while they were currently unable to proceed with the case, the decision to dismiss the charges did not absolve Mr. Baldwin of criminal culpability and that investigations would continue. The family of Ms. Hutchins filed a civil lawsuit on the 9th of February to sue both the actor and the Rust movie production company for alleged battery, intentional infliction of emotional distress, negligence, and loss of consortium. Loss of consortium is a claim which seeks to recover compensation for damage to certain relationships that are mutually dependent. On Friday, U.S. lawyer Gloria Allred, who represents Ms. Hutchins' family, said she was committed to proceeding with the civil lawsuit, despite the prosecutor's decision to dismiss the criminal charge against Alec Baldwin without prejudice. "The victims of Alec Baldwin that we represent remain hopeful," she said in a statement. "Mr. Baldwin has tried to dismiss our civil case against him, and he has failed. He should know that we remain committed to fighting and winning for our clients and holding him accountable for pointing a loaded gun at Halyna Hutchins, pulling the trigger, and killing her." The statement continued, "Mr. Baldwin may pretend that he is not responsible for pulling the trigger and ejecting a live bullet which ended Halyna's life. He can run to Montana and pretend that he is just an actor in a Wild West movie, but in real life, he cannot escape from the fact that he had a major role in a tragedy which had real-life consequences for Halyna, her mother, father, sister, and co-worker. No matter where Alec Baldwin goes, he cannot escape responsibility for his role in shooting and killing Halyna, who was a young mother, a beloved daughter, a loving sister, and an admired co-worker. We look forward to seeing Alec Baldwin in court where a jury will decide if Alec Baldwin is just a movie star or a defendant who should be held accountable for the tragic death of Halyna Hutchins." Baldwin was pictured on the set as filming for Rust resumed in Montana on Thursday after the production moved from New Mexico. Legal representatives for Rust movie production stressed all use of working weapons or ammunition is, and always has been, prohibited on set.